Do you want to get dual apps on your iPhone iOS 17 version? If your answer is yes, here's a guide. By following this, you'll learn tricks that you can use to create dual apps on your iPhone after the recent update. So, no more wasting your time. Let's get started. Before you do anything, let's say you already have an Instagram app. Now, to get the dual Instagram for your iPhone, you need to use the Safari browser. Open Safari browser, search for any app name that you want to make dual apps, like WhatsApp, Messenger, and/or Instagram, and tap on the official link. After coming to the login page, tap on the share icon in the middle of the screen. Scroll down, tap on Add to Home Screen. After that, rename the app as you want, and tap on Add, and come back to the home page where you can use dual app. So this is how you can get dual app service on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.